In this video, we compare DJI Mini 3 Pro and HS700E Drone with certification. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The DJI Mini 3 Pro offers a stunning 4K video and 48 megapixel photo capability, capturing your world in remarkable detail, whether it's day or night. With a flight time of up to 34 minutes, the DJI Mini 3 Pro allows you to explore and capture more of your surroundings than ever before. Weighing less than 249 grams, the DJI Mini 3 Pro's compact and foldable design makes it perfect for any adventure and eliminates the need for registration in most regions. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is equipped with tri-directional obstacle sensing and APAS 4.0, offering unparalleled safety for a mini drone. Beyond its advanced camera system, the DJI Mini 3 Pro comes with an array of intelligent features like FocusTrack, true vertical shooting, MasterShots, Timelapse, and QuickTransfer, enhancing your creative options. Included with the DJI Mini 3 Pro is the new DJI RC, pre-installed with the DJI Fly app and featuring a built-in 5.5-inch HD display for clear viewing even in direct sunlight. The Holy Stone HS700E Drone is FAA certified, ensuring compliance with regulations and providing an unhindered flying experience. Equipped with a 4K EIS anti-shake camera, this drone offers stable video transmission and a wide field of vision for capturing precious moments. The drone features GPS and GLONASS navigation systems, offering stable hovering and a reliable return-to-home function. The HS700E Drone is packed with additional features like Follow Me, custom flight path, and smart return to home, all controlled via the Ophelia application. The drone comes with a modular battery and a premium carrying case, making it easy to use outdoors and safely store when not in use. The HS700E is extremely user-friendly, requiring no complicated preparation and featuring modules like altitude hold, headless mode, air pressure sensor, and optical flow. In comparing the DJI Mini 3 Pro and the HS700E Drone with certification, several key features stand out. Both drones offer 4K video capabilities, but the DJI Mini 3 Pro distinguishes itself with a 48 megapixel photo capability and a flight time of 34 minutes, which is considerably longer than most drones on the market. The HS700E, on the other hand, has FAA certification, which ensures compliance with regulations and provides an unhindered flying experience. The HS700E also stands out with its GPS and GLONASS navigation systems, which offer stable hovering and a reliable return-to-home function. Both drones offer a range of intelligent features, such as Follow Me, custom flight path, and smart return-to-home for the HS700E, and FocusTrack, true vertical shooting, MasterShots, Timelapse, and QuickTransfer for the DJI Mini 3 Pro. However, the DJI Mini 3 Pro has an edge with its tri-directional obstacle sensing and APAS 4.0, which provide unparalleled safety for a mini drone. In terms of user-friendliness, the HS700E is a strong contender with its easy preparation and modules like altitude hold, headless mode, air pressure sensor, and optical flow. In conclusion, both drones are solid options, but the DJI Mini 3 Pro might be a better choice for those seeking advanced camera systems and longer flight time, while the HS700E might appeal more to those who value ease of use and compliance with FAA regulations.